Hi viewers, in the previous video, I showed you how to create Canvas app using Dataverse. In this video, I am showing you how to create Canvas app from the blank or from scratch. Okay. Now I am in the solution powerapps practice. Now I am going to creating app, Canvas app from blank. Okay. I am giving us some login or something, whatever you want to give login app or something. I am giving as login app. Okay, I am selecting phone, create. In this now we're gonna take screens concept shows only here it is from blank, right? So it will show only one screen, and that one also we need to design. You can see there is no UI, you can design as you want. Okay, now I want to design login form, registration form, and I wanna give some successful messages on those. Okay, now this one I screen one I will rename to login. Okay, now I want to place this. You can see this is the insert. I want to place some rectangular here. If you want to place, or you can just change the background, whatever it is. I'm just adding some rectangular here. Okay, now I have added some rectangular, and I wanna design a login form here. So you can see it was background is say it was not that much effective. So you can change the background color to something. I wanna change to some orange. Something like some violet, not that much good. This is okay. Now I wanna change this text to login form. You can change here. I will show you. And now I'm changing in the PowerX, PowerFX. So this is the login form here. I given, and if you can, it was at the left side. If you want in the middle, and if you want to increase the text, you can increase the text. I am giving this, and yeah, I've given some 31. You can see this is the design. It was login form. Okay, now I want to place some text box here, test labels. One text box. I want to place one more test. Control C and Control V. Now two text boxes are added. Test labels added, and now I want to have test input. So we can add some test box. Control C, Control V. Now I wanna give this one as, if you can see it was selecting the entire screen but not going to there. At that time you can go to navigation here. This is the navigation. You can see this is the login screen and this is the test input label. You can select directly here. If you want, you can change the test here, otherwise you can change it here also. I want to give some password, and I want to give this one as login username. And this one here it was showing test input, right? You need to change that one. Just remove this one, delete. Now almost login form is ready, so we need to place some buttons. So go to insert and place some button here. This is for login button and one more button for register. So now two buttons I have added here. I wanna give this button name as login, and this button I wanna give as register. wanna change the background, you can change it. You can see you can change the color. If you want to change the font color, you can change here. You can see background also you can change. This is a color background. You can change whatever you want. Okay, now login form is ready. So whenever you click on the login, we need to show login is successful. Whenever you click on register, we need to go to other further screen and we need to enter some username password like that. So now the screen one is ready. Now I want to get one more screen, new screen, blank. And now I'm not adding any rectangular now. I'm just replacing background color to something, whatever you want you can give. I'm just giving like this, and I want to change the rename it to register, and I want to paste some label here, test label, and you can give this one as register form, registration form, register form, whatever you want you can give. And if you want to change font, you can change to something whatever you want. If you want to change the font size, you can change whatever you want you can do it. If you want to change the background color of this, you can change to something whatever you want. Now I wanna place some text labels again. Just copy paste how many fields you want. Just placing 4 labels here. And I wanna place some text input buttons also. One to C capital V. I've placed 4 here. Need one more. So now totally 4 input boxes and labels. So we need to change the label. I wanna changing this to username, or you can give as full name and username. If you want, you can add few more fields. You can add it how many you want. And I wanna give this one as password, and this one as confirm password. Now my registration form is almost ready. Better to arrange in the same, then that will be good for good look you are giving. Now I need to place a button and can rename it to register. Okay, now this was ready. Now I need to add one more screen. Need to remove this thing. So I got now ready. Now I wanna add one more screen. So add screen. I wanna go to templates. I wanna give some successful message. So success. You can rename it to success. Okay. I wanna place some back button here. So you go to insert and you can see here test input. Here in the input you can see how display some layout with icons. Okay, I want to place some icon here, some back arrow. Okay, now back arrow here. Otherwise you can place here also. Now back arrow is red and back arrow unselect. I want to navigate to screen one nothing but login. So I want to go to login. Just give like this. Okay. Whenever you are pressing on login, it will go to login form. Now I am ready with three screens. Okay, login screen. Let's see how it will work. I am just playing it. Let's see. I want to give some username, something. I want to give some Raj, and I want to give some password as some password. You can see it was showing as test. So we need to change to some characters, some special characters like some asterisk or some dots. So let's see how it will can change this. And now I am clicking on login. Actually I am not giving anything on login, so it was not working. So go back and do that one. Now login. So login, we need to move to success screen. So navigate and success. Like by using this navigate, we can move from one screen to other screen. Register, navigate, register, register. Now let's go and see. Now I have username password is ready. I'm clicking on login. You can see successfully completed. Now click on back. Now it can again back to login form. Now I'm clicking on register, but you can see here these fields are still not not reset. So we need to reset these two fields and going back. Okay, register. Now I'm on register form, and I'll click register. Also, I have not set anything, so we need to make all these things. So go back once, and we can do all required things here. First, I'm going to login from here. You can see the password is showing as password. You can see format is test and number only. Means you can enter numbers and tests. You can see go back to down here. You can see some mode is there. First single line or multi-line or password. If you give password, it will, you can see it will take the test in the form of dots. Okay. No, so this will good. Login is good. Register is good. Now we need to go to screen 2, register. On register we are not given any navigation, so I wanna give some navigate, navigate, that one success, right? So success. Now every button is now ready, but on click of back in success we have back button, right? And this we are navigating to login form, but we are not clearing the test boxes, so we need to clear this test boxes. These two test boxes we need to clear. So just copy these names. I am copying this one, rename, copy the name, and go to back this here, and you can need to reset it. So reset of field name, and one more we have reset of to have two test boxes. So I'm giving two test boxes here. One is username and one is password. So whenever you are clicking on this button, it will go to login form and clear those two test boxes. Okay, now this was good. And whenever we are moving from login to register and clicking on register, we are moving navigating to register, but we are not clearing the test which was present on the. I will show you what I am telling. Okay, now you can see. Now here you can see, now we have some data. Now I'm clicking on login. Now I am on success screen. If you click on this one, now it will clean username and password. You can see these two are cleared. Now you can see and register. Now I am entering some text. On clicking on register, it was success message, but Can see now register, it was still showing the test. So I need to clear this. So go back and test box 2212223. So we need to take let's copy the name and go to screen 1 and button 2, that is register. So we need to reset 4 buttons we have, so we need to reset 4 buttons. But we are writing for each and each test box, that is not good, but we need to check later how to clear on one action, how to clear total form. Okay, now it was ready, and we missed one more thing on register form. We have password here, also we need to change the mode to password. So password, this is also password. I think now everything is good. Let's check. Go to login screen first. Now my login form is right. Now see, you can see there is no test here, right? Okay, now I will give you as some Tirupati and I'm giving some password as Tirumala. Let's see, but you can see here it was showing as dots. Now I'm going and click on login. Now it was successful. I'm going back. You can see it was cleared. Now I'm clicking on register. You can see this test box is also now empty. Now Rani, full name is Rani and username is Rani or password something. You can give whatever you want. You can see it was also taking as dots and confirm password. If you click on register, it will give success message. And we are going back now. You can click on register. Now everything is going good. Like this, by using Canvas app, you can build your own app with your own UI. You can see I'm given my own color. I have it as you want. I was showing as blank and I am creating as I am required. So like this, you can using Canvas app, you can build the blank app. Thanks for watching.
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe.